It's Vegan Recipes with Pat, Mel, and Emily.
Hi, on It's Vegan, today we are making macaroni salad. And what I have, I'm doing a very quick video. I've got Veganaise, I have vegan sugar, mustard, Italian seasoning, parsley, and vinegar. I'm going to stir those ingredients together to make the sauce. This would also taste good on potato salad, if you're looking for a potato salad for summer picnics. Then I'm going to be adding in red pepper, purple onion that's been chopped, and celery. With the purple onion, I got a tip one time that if you chop it up and soak it in water and then rinse it and pat it dry, it takes away some of the bite, but it leaves the delicious flavor. And to this, I have macaroni that's already been cooked. I cook it the length of time that it says on the package. I find that they know the right amount of cooking time for their own macaroni. When you're using the macaroni, if it's still warm, it really helps absorb the flavors. So I highly recommend dressing it while the macaroni is still warm. And it smells wonderful. I like to actually eat it warm, but you can chill it and the flavors will just develop all the more. Placed it in a bowl, put cherry tomatoes around it. I'm sprinkling it with a little bit of smoked paprika just to add some lovely color. Be back for the taste test. I plated it up. I have a nice burger here, pickles, tomatoes, and the macaroni salad. I love it. I love it. I hope you do too. Please subscribe. Cut. I have to